welcome to Jing Jing's Kitchen. So today I prepared some salmon steak for our brunch, and as you can see, I'm just using some oranges because I don't have calamansi available on the fridge. I have some onion rings as well, and added oyster sauce, meron na rin yan, soy sauce, a little bit of pepper and salt. And then this is just a very simple and a quick meal that you can prepare for the family. You can also marinate this overnight and then cook it in the morning. And on the same pan, I sauteed some onion rings, and then I added the sauce and at the same time the fish. Yung pagprito ng salmon natin, huwag natin masyadong patagalin para hindi siya maging makunat. So there you go. That's my very simple brunch salmon steak for our family. Have a good day, everyone.